The White Russian. It's decadent, silky and creamy. If it was a person, it'd be a Big Lebowski fan. Or someone who thinks the 70s was the greatest decade ever, with its glam rock, creepy celebrities, serial killers and economic depression. If you haven't heard about this drink, you've probably been living underneath a stone. But if you really like espresso martinis or any creamy coffee of some kind, like lattes, really give this one a try. My introduction to this cocktail was from one of my best mates who used to have these around Christmas time with his family. Then we did a trip to Las Vegas and we ended up drinking them by the gallon. But back then my metabolism was in overdrive and I could really take the piss. To kick this one off, get a double rocks glass, add some ice. I've crushed this a little due to the diameter of the glass. In the glass, add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of vodka. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of Kahlua, Tia Maria or any coffee liqueur you have at hand. It's Christmas, I'm not going to judge you. Then stir with a bar spoon to let the ingredients mingle a bit. The history of this cocktail was it wasn't created by the dude, but it traced its roots back to the Hotel Metropole in Brussels back in 1949 with the creation of the Black Russian, although the addition of cream is a bit of a mystery. Then carefully drizzle 1 ounce of cream, so that's 30 ml. Try to make it more central than I did here. I'm using a bar spoon to layer it. If you want to make a Caucasian, as a dude in the Big Lebowski calls it, perhaps add some more cream. And as you take a sip, shout out, hey man, be careful, there's a beverage here. Give the subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy, have a couple more and fucking behave yourselves as it's Christmas.